So in today's class we are going to discuss more about transpiration. In part 1 already I have discussed all thing about transpiration. So in this class also I am going to give you the part 2 of the transpiration, that is it includes the demonstration of transpiration by experiment of using a polythene bag, also the demonstration of transpiration by all sort of things. So let's start our class. Polythene method. So polythene method means what? You have to use a polythene sheet to do this experiment by taking a well medium sized water potted plant and covering the plant with a transparent polythene bag so that you can see and tie the mouth of the polythene bag at the base of the stem of the plant, so that after keeping the setup for about 1 hour to nearly about 2 hours, you can see droplets of water on the polythene bag. So you can show that transpiration is taking place, since we know that transpiration is the process of losing of water from the plant bodies, that is in form of water vapor. So by this experiment we can show that transpiration is taking place. And if I am going to demonstrate you another experiment, we can do it by bell jar experiment. So bell jar experiment means what? By using a small potted plant, you have to take a bell jar and cover the plant with a bell jar. So you keep it in front of the sunlight for about few hours, that is means you can keep it for 1 hour also, you can keep it for 2 hour also. It is for demonstration purpose or for experimental purpose. So you can keep it in sunlight for about 1 hour, and the result that you are going to get is that you will see droplets of water in the top layer of the bell jar. So to measure transpiration we generally use two types of methods, that is by using Gannon's pottometer. You can see in the diagram that clearly it is given that it is a Gannon's pottometer, and the use of pottometer is to measure the rate of transpiration taking place. So you can know that how much amount of transpiration is taking place by using a Gannon's pottometer. Okay, so in Gannon's pottometer you have to take a small potted plant, not you have to take the pot, but you have to cut the stem and joint it on the pottometer, so that you can see small amount of water bubble in that, and you can easily measure the amount of water loss during the process of transpiration. So pottometer generally shows us the amount of water loss during the time of transpiration. So easily you can see the diagram, everything has been explained properly. So you have to take some colored water, because by using colored water you can see that how much amount of water has been lost from your previous setup. So you have to take the twig of coilless plant only, so that it can show, or don't cover the plant, otherwise it will not show the rate of transpiration, or it will not show how much transpiration is taking place. So coming to the next chapter, that is your types of transpiration in plants. So types of transpiration means what? There are generally three types of transpiration. So first one is your cuticular transpiration, next one is your stomatal transpiration, and third one is your lenticular transpiration. So generally there are three types of transpiration. Transpiration होउची तीन प्रकार रो. फर्स्ट आपनकर क्यूटिकुलर ट्रांसपिरेशन, सेकंड टा होउची स्टोमाटल ट्रांसपिरेशन, थर्ड होउची लेंटिकुलर ट्रांसपिरेशन. तो आमे कोन जानिबा ना क्यूटिकुलर ट्रांसपिरेशन कोन, स्टोमाटल ट्रांसपिरेशन कोन, लेंटिकुलर ट्रांसपिरेशन कोन. So we have to know more about cuticular and all types of transpiration. So first is your cuticular transpiration. Cuticular transpiration is the loss of water from the cuticle. Cuticle कोन ना cuticle होउची डायरेक्टली फ्रॉम द सरफेस ऑफ द लीफ सरफेस रु, पत्रर सरफेस रु जो वाटर वेपरटा लॉस होउची बा वाटरटा इन फॉर्म ऑफ वाटर वेपर लॉस होउची, ताकू कुहंती क्यूटिकुलर ट्रांसपिरेशन. दिस टाइप ऑफ ट्रांसपिरेशन इज कॉल्ड एज योर क्यूटिकुलर ट्रांसपिरेशन. So next coming to your lenticular transpiration. Lenticular transpiration means loss of water vapor फ्रॉम द वुड स्टेम. वुड स्टेम माने कौन ना जेनेराली आपणकर काठ गंडी गोटे गछर काठरू जो अमाउंटर धर गछर साइड्रु स्टेम हो सेठू बा फ्रुट्स रु जो अमाउंटर वाटर लॉस हुए इन फॉर्म ऑफ वाटर वेपर ताकू कहती कौन लेंटिकुलर ट्रांसपिरेशन. सो थर्ड रे आपणकर आसीबो फ्रॉम द थर्ड वी विल गेट टू सी दैट स्टोमाटल ट्रांसपिरेशन. व्हाट इज स्टोमाटल ट्रांसपिरेशन ना स्टोमाटा होउची स्टोमाटा इज ए माइन्यूट पोर. ता माने कौन ना पत्रर सरफेस रे आमको देखा जाए कौन स्टोमाटा. स्टोमाटर काम कौन ना स्टोमाटा होउची इज ए माइन्यूट पोर प्रेजेंट इन द अपर सरफेस ऑफ द लिप्स. लीप रो सरफेस रे अछि जहाँ द्वारा बाय व्हिच वाटर इज लॉस्ट इन फॉर्म ऑफ वाटर वेपर. सो वाटर वेपर रे लॉस होउची. आजिर पार्ट 2 रे एतिकी जिनस रहिला. नेक्स्ट पार्ट रे बा पार्ट 3 रे आमे आउ कोन डिस्क्राइब करिवा ना मेकानिज्म ऑफ स्टोमाटल ट्रांसपिरेशन. तापर आपनकर किपर स्टोमाटल ट्रांसपिरेशन होउची आउ को फैक्टर्स गुडा आपनकर अफेक्ट करची रेट ऑफ ट्रांसपिरेशन को. सो प्लीज हम चैनल को बहुत लाइक करंतु सब्सक्राइब करंतु एवं बेल आइकन दबाया भूलंतु नहीं. बेल आइकन दबांतु. थैंक यू.